morning. Welcome to another info session. Sorry, Daniel. I'm quite excited about this one, so I started before you here. As you know by now, Speaker Bietjie Soaps, myself, Stefan, a grote here to my right, who's quite upset now because I started without him.
Yeah, being left out. It's not fun.
Daniel,
but let's start.
window clean.
Yeah, Stefan.
Window.
The name says it all. Cleans windows.
Yeah. Well, yes.
So
it makes sense.
Okay, we all know window lean in the stores and that. So we have our product is window clean, but as Cernal does a bit more industrial products, and we have more concentrated detergents. So window clean, as easy as you spray it on your windows and you wipe it off. But also, I don't know but some people may know, you get these white stains, white water stains on windows. If you struggle with that, this product will definitely remove it.
It's definitely more industrial window cleaner. I know it might sound funny because you would think a window cleaner is a window cleaner, but it's definitely more industrial
Product.
if it comes down to it. Eh? So
Yes.
it's also food safe. So butcheries, the food industries can clean windows within the system they're working.
Yeah.
So that's great news because I know some of the products you would get either a ammonia smell within the cleaner or whatever. This one is not the case, and it is. If it comes to the dilution, Daniel, do you use it as is? Must it be diluted? How does?
No, the most effective way, in a spray bottle and spray it on and then just wipe off. Leave it maybe for about 5 minutes if you have really hard stains. And then just wipe it off. It's easy as that.
Great. Available 5 liter and the 25 and bulk.
And bulk.
Okay. As with all the products, we manufacture it, so we can put it in any container you would require. Safety precautions, Daniel. I would assume you shouldn't drink it.
Yeah, but you drink soap, Stefan, so yeah. That's about it. It's not a corrosive product. If it touches your skin, it's fine. As you said, just don't drink it.
Okay. We are going to a quick video at the end, just to give you an idea of how effective the window clean works, not only on clean windows, but as well as your dirty windows when it comes to calc. What is calc in English, Daniel?
Limestones.
Limestones. I apologize. So watch the video. The data sheet will also be attached. If you have any questions, please contact either Ugrote or myself. All the contact details is available. And have an awesome window clean day.
Cernal Chemicals, get your laundry house. Cernal Chemicals, chemicals you can trust.